So one of the wonderful things about eating clean and easy is the availability of organic foods. And Costco is one of the #1 leaders in organic foods, can you believe? So I've actually made a Costco shopping list for you, so that when you go to Costco, you can really be mindful of how to prepare your kitchen and your refrigerator with nice, organic, clean foods. And here are some examples. I got all of these from Costco. My organic dates, my organic eggs. For smoothies, I have the organic frozen berries. And then I also can't be without my organic blueberries, frozen blueberries, so that you always have blueberries to throw in the shake. And then vegetable-wise, organic Brussels sprouts. I also have organic edamame that I can just pull out from little baggies and cook them for a snack. And these organic butternut squash. So I can make my butternut squash soup. It's already cut up. I don't have to cut the actual butternut squash. And my walnuts and my cacao powder. So you can actually really save a lot of money by shopping at Costco. And in this case, yes, they're large containers, but you're going to be using all of these as you shop and cook and prepare foods that are clean and whole and easy. And a lot of those resources are on my website.